go of doubt and worry, then let's use the power of paying attention to feel our best. Allow your attention to become centered on your thoughts. What do you see passing by in your mind? Maybe you remember what you were doing today or yesterday. The people you were talking to and the places you went. See these memories and thoughts coming into your mind swiftly and going just as quickly. This is the nature of the mind, going and coming, just like the seasons and the sun in the sky, endlessly coming and going. Now begin to imagine that you're walking through a beautiful meadow. Feel the grass below your feet, the soft earth supporting you. A gentle breeze caresses your skin. You can smell the fresh outdoor air. Breathe in deeply and imagine that this meadow has the ability to lift stress from your life. Now let the image of the meadow fade and take a big breath in. Open your eyes and remember to use the power of your breath to take you away from stress.